Hello guys, meron tayong donor lens para sa ating Romeo 1 frame, Oakley Romeo 1 frame, X-Metal. Titanium frame to guys. Meron tayong donor lens, prism filled. Yun o. Prism filled to guys. Ikakat natin para sa ating Romeo 1. Ang gandang lens guys oh. Original lenses to guys from other Oakley model. Yun o. Romeo 1. Hello guys, ito natapos ng ating prism filled. Fit natin guys. Yun o. Ganda ng pasok guys. Yun o. Prism filled. Yun ang prism filled guys. Ganda ng pasok niya. Itong isa kabila. Ang kanyang left side. May itch pa siya guys oh, natira. Prism itch. Prism. Yun. Yan guys oh. Ganda ng fitting. Ito na kayo. Powered by Oakley Lens Cleaner. Yun. Ayun na guys, natapos na ang ating prism filled. Ayan na guys, ang ating final touch. Romeo 1 custom cut lenses. Authentic Oakley lenses. Yun. Prism filled Romeo 1.